Now, for those of you who wanted to venture into cryptocurrency or forex trading without having the knowledge of it, I have one advice for you. If you want to venture into forex trading or cryptocurrency, first of all, as a beginner, as a novice who doesn't know anything about it but wanted to or is willing to venture into cryptocurrency or forex trading, I have one advice for you. First of all, have you decided to venture into forex trading? Have you decided to venture into cryptocurrency? All this digital marketing, all these digital businesses, all these digital tradings needed experience, needed to have knowledge of it, and there is no how one can start a particular business without having knowledge of it. And the easiest way to do it is to make inquiries. Most of it doesn't have the money, but then there are free trainings. There are online videos, especially on YouTube. If you start making inquiries on YouTube, you will get full knowledge of whatever you want to do concerning forex trading or cryptocurrency. All you have to do is it will only take you just a search away from getting the knowledge of forex trading or cryptocurrency. Just log into YouTube, search for the videos, you search for trainings, search for, if you don't have money for special training, if you don't have money to, pay some experts to teach you about forex trading or cryptocurrency, you can, make your inquiries via YouTube, via search engines or your Google, or whatever, enemies that you can easily, that you can easily relate to. You can make use of such medium to get the knowledge of the forex trading or cryptocurrency that you want to venture into. I used to get some complaints about, the people that lost money in cryptocurrency or forex trading, and when I insist on knowing, or making inquiries of why that person lost money, I found out that the person is a novice who doesn't have a knowledge of the forex trading or the cryptocurrency or any digital market, any digital business, and he or she eventually venture into it, and what do you expect from somebody that doesn't have a knowledge of a particular business but eventually, invested on it? The only thing that you would be expecting from such person is lost. I get it. It's a like forex trading is buy and sell. It's the same thing with cryptocurrency. It's buy and sell. To be able to study the market, to be able to study the rise and fall of the currency, to be able to study the market, the digital market world. If you can be able to do all these things, you can achieve, you can excel in those platforms. A lot of money when you want to venture into forex trading or cryptocurrency, you have to get prepared mentally and then get knowledge of it as a beginner, so that you don't lose your money. It's a risk, and when you want to venture into it, make sure you invested with the amount of money that you can be able to withstand in case if you lose. I get it. So that's just it. If you want to venture into forex trading or cryptocurrency, please make inquiries about it. Make inquiries, search for videos on YouTube, use your Google. You can get random training that can give you knowledge of what you want to venture into in case you don't have money or you don't have the fund for special training on forex trading or cryptocurrency. Please be careful out there. Get knowledge of the cryptocurrency or forex trading in case you want to venture into it before venturing into it, before investing on it, to avoid you losing money. Thank you.